Hello student, welcome in your Bharat Bharati YouTube classes. Today we will study about motion and measurement of distance. Motion and measurement of distance is a part of physics. It means today we will study physics part motion and measurement of distance. Here two things, motion and measurement of distance. First we will discuss separately motion and measurement of distance. First motion. Then one question arises in our mind, what is motion? Motion means change in position with respect to time. Any body which is change its position with respect to time. We can also say a body travel from one place to another. A body move from one point to another point with respect to time. With respect to time is called motion. Next point, measurement of distance. Each and everything need measurement. If we talk in science, each and everything tell us according to experiment, rule, law. Same things here, measurement of distance also. How we can measure a distance? Various type of quantity in our daily life, in science, which is measured by different quantity. Same things here, measurement of distance also measure with a specific quantity. If we talk about measurement, in all over the world, 7 fundamental units for the measurement. 7 fundamental units, one of them distance also. Distance means also you can say length. The length measured in meter. It means length fundamental unit meter. Same thing here. If we measure mass fundamental unit kg. And next things, if we measure temperature, as we know, temperature measured in Celsius, Fahrenheit, Reaumur and Kelvin. But fundamental unit of temperature is Kelvin. Here 3 parts. And next, current and electricity. Current and electricity measure in ampere. Next point, time. Time unit, as we know, second, minute, hours. But fundamental unit of time is second. Next, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity measured in candela. And next, amount of substances. Amount of substances measured in mole. All the 7 fundamental units only 7 fundamental units and rest of other units all are derived. All units derived from these fundamental units. So here measurement of distance measured in meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter. But fundamental unit of measurement is distance is meter. Measurement here, measurement it involves the comparison of unknown quantity. If we talk about ancient time people use different way to measure different things. For example, foot step, handstand. Ancient people used to measure length, but not valid this unit all over the world and different part of world, because this unit vary from person to person. Different person, foot step, give different measurement, different person, handstand give different measure. So we can say this is not a accurate method to measure anything. So a standard unit derived which is valid all over the world. So measurement involves the comparison of unknown quantity. Now measurement consists. What is consist measurement? A number describing the numerical value. It means a number describing the numerical value. As we know, we use in counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. All these numbers used to counting. But without unit, all these numbers not give any information about any physical quantity. So if we talk about 1 centimeter, it means 1 centimeter give us information about length. 1 meter means give us information about length. 1 kilometer means give us information about length or distance, you can say also. Now need to measurement length, distance. For example, if you want to measure dimension of this table, how can measure dimension of this table? Because different shape measure by different weight. But if you want to give dimension of this table, we will have to measure breadth of the table, length of the table and height of the table. All these part if we measure, then we can measure the dimension of table. Next is physical quantity. Any quantity already we have discussed in all over the world. 7 fundamental unit. Same things here. Physical quantity. Any quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. It means length, breadth, mass, time, current, electricity, amount of substance, temperature, all this physical quantity. Rest of this, next, derived quantity. We also want to discuss on derived quantity. Derived quantity derived from the fundamental quantity. As we know, how many fundamental quantity? 7 fundamental quantity. All other derived quantity derived from the fundamental quantity. Now we will discuss our unit. It is a standard for measurement of physical quantity that need clear definition to be useful. Different physical quantity need to measure different unit, and each and every physical quantity measure with the help of different standard unit. Standard unit, it is used to everywhere as a basic unit of measurement, is called standard unit. We have already discussed this about fundamental unit. Same things here. If we talk about unit of length, it means SI unit of length, meter. Meter, length refers to the distance between any two point or place. Distance between 2 points is called length. Distance between 2 points is distance. If we measure longer distance, we use larger unit. If we measure shorter distance, we use a smaller unit. If we talk about, if you want to measure distance between two cities, in that case we use kilometer. If you measure length of mobile phone, we use centimeter. It means for measurement of length, use different situations, different unit. It means larger distance measure with the help of kilometer, shorter distance measure with the help of centimeter, millimeter. Just talking about different length measurement, use different unit. Longer distance measurement, use longer unit, and smaller distance measurement, use smaller unit. For this, some multiples and submultiples of meter, because as you know, meter is a fundamental unit of length. It means meter is a SI unit of length. So multiples of meter. Here decameter also unit of length. Then 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. It means 1 decameter divided into 10 equal part. Each part 1 meter. Next, 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. It means 1 hectometer divided into 100 equal part. Each part length 1 meter. Next is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. It means 1 kilometer divided into 1000 equal part. Each part length 1 meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Next, 1 meter equal to submultiple of meter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. It means 1 meter, here reverse, here 1 meter divided into 10 equal part. And next, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Here 1 meter divided into 100 centimeter, 100 equal part. So 100 equal part. Each part equal to 1 centimeter. Next, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Here 1 meter divided into 1000 equal part. Each part equal to 1 millimeter. Just talking about measurement of length, different measurement, use different unit. Same thing here for length measurement, different purpose, different unit. Remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next class. Thank you.